Hello everyone, this is Brian White, President and CEO of Yaupon Asi Tea, LLC. We're at our production facility here in Edgewater, Florida, and what you're looking at is a good bunch of our freshly cured Yaupon Holly tea. This tea has been sitting here in our production facility for the last week or so, where it has been slowly losing all of its moisture content in a process that is called withering. And you can see here, it's a nice dry green leaf readily crunch in your hand. Now, if we had smell-o-vision, you could detect a really nice light floral and vegetable aroma coming from these leaves, which is really quite enjoyable. It would take about a gram or so of these to make a nicely decent strength cup of Yaupon tea, which is what we recommend. This is, for all intents and purposes, a finished product. This has been washed at least 3 times, totally submerged in water, and then it's been dried and withered in our Florida sun. This product will now be ground and placed into Abaca fiber tea bags and will be shipped to you just that way. A very minimally processed product, and it's great for you. Also has a nice healthy caffeine kick, very rich in antioxidants. We'll go along the withering table here, and at the end you'll see what's called our barbacoa pot. This is a modern interpretation of what the Timucua natives may have used to roast the Yaupon tea. If you can imagine, getting the tea in a cured state like this in the middle of summer in Florida requires kind of a technical dehumidification process. The Native Americans would never have had the capability of doing this, so they had to roast the tea over high temperature in order to make it stable so that they could store it or use it. They, of course, would have had a much more primitive device, likely made of clay, which they would have set over an open fire, and they would have roasted the tea that way. In order to maintain the cleanliness and integrity of our product, we have kind of developed this into a much more modern adaptation, which we call our signature barbacoa pot. There's a glove in there, and this is the nice wooden spoon that we use to keep the leaves going. There's a propane fire that will go underneath this large stainless steel pot, and it will heat the tea to approximately 250 to 300 degrees, and it'll be nice and ready roasted then. After the leaves have been roasted, they'll be ground up by hand and loaded by hand into natural Abaca fiber tea bags for your enjoyment. That's a short video, and we have several others on our website. I hope you did enjoy, and once again, I'm Brian White, President of Yaupon Asi Tea. Have a pleasant afternoon, and visit our website at www.yauponasitea.com. That's YAUPONASITEA.com. Taste paradise.